Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Camera Coach on Google Pixel 10 Pro camera. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the camera, and once you open up the camera, what you guys want to do is aim it at something. So I'll aim it like this so you guys can still see what's going on the screen. Now, as you guys can see, here we have the button that we want to press, and now we got our preview. It's finding some options, and this is our Camera Coach. So here we can go for minimalist light and shadow, gradient of light, soft surface texture. So we're gonna go for the first one. It's preparing how-to steps, and as you guys can see, reframe to fill the entire frame. Now we want to move on to the next step. Tap to the center to focus, and once we do that, we need to take the photo. As you guys can see, this is how the Camera Coach works, and of course, if you're in a more complex situation, it will look much better. So if you want to take a picture like this, let me quickly, you will not see this properly, but I'll just click it. It's on the flower, and now it's finding some better options. For example, verdant leaf layers, potted greenery desktop, and texture of nature. So I'll choose the second one, the potted greenery desktop, and now we want to zoom in slightly on the plant. Now once I zoom in, I need to go over, press the next step, and now I have positioned the plant at the bottom right. So now it's positioned like this, and now we want to take the photo. As you guys can see, this is how it went. So it is really aesthetic and etc., but you can also use it in more complex situations. So that's how you guys can use the Camera Coach, and that's basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.